The Solong cargo ship has drifted south since crashing into the Stena Immaculate 5 days ago. The fires on board now largely contained, revealing the explosive impact of the collision. The US oil tanker was at anchor with 220,000 barrels of jet fuel on board when it was struck by the Portugal-flagged Solong 10 miles off the East Yorkshire coast. 36 of the 37 people on board the two vessels were rescued and brought to safety. The one man missing and presumed dead has been named as Mark Angelo Pania, a 38-year-old Filipino national. He was part of the Solong crew. The captain of the cargo ship, a Russian national, has been charged with gross negligence manslaughter and appeared at Hull Magistrates Court this morning. The hearing lasted about 40 minutes. Vladimir Motin, who's 59, stood in the dock and spoke through a Russian interpreter to confirm his name, age, that he has no fixed address in the UK, and that he understood the charge that he faces. No plea was entered, no application was made for bail, and Mr Motin was remanded in custody to next appear at the Old Bailey in London on the 14th of April. And alongside the criminal case, investigations continue out at sea. The Coast Guard says both vessels are now stable. Each has been boarded by teams assessing the damage. We now know the cargo ship was not carrying sodium cyanide as first thought. And initial fears of an environmental disaster seem to have been avoided. The limited impact of the oil tanker spilling jet fuel could be due to some of it burning off, with no obvious effect on wildlife and habitats detected at this stage. It is still early days, though, in the quest to find out exactly what went wrong and why.